a Helio G85 gaming processor, 32 megapixel front camera, full HD screen, 5000 mAh battery, and 128 GB internal storage. Is this the perfect everyday use phone? Hello there, my name is Dominic and this is the Tecno Spark 9 Pro unboxing and first impressions video. That was satisfying. And the Tecno Spark series never lacks this orange theme. So this is the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. So it features what is known as the dual galaxy ring. You saw these two rings in the Tecno Camon 19 series 2. And I like that design. The screen protector is already installed on the phone. The other accessories include an 18-watt flash charger, USB Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool, and the hands-free headset. As far as first impressions go, this phone looks very nice, and it's actually very light when it comes to it, although it has a 5000 mAh battery. And also it's very slim. Just look at how slim it is. The back cover has this surface. It might look rough, but it's actually very smooth to the touch, and absolutely no fingerprints will stick here. The only disadvantage is this glossy surface at the top. That is a fingerprint magnet, although the phone case actually covers half of that fingerprint magnet. That's the triple rear camera setup at the back. The power button also doubles up as the fingerprint scanner. Those are the volume buttons. At the bottom we have the headphone jack, microphone, USB Type-C port, and the speaker. At the front we have the front camera as a dot notch display. That's the earpiece. And finally on the left side we have the SIM tray. This SIM tray can hold one SD card and two nano SIM cards. Just like the Tecno Camon 19 series, the Tecno Spark 9 Pro also has dual notification zones. On the left side we have the actual notifications, and on the right side we have the drop down menu. So let's take a look at the Tecno Spark 9 Pro specifications. Before I go on, what's the price of the Tecno Spark 9 Pro? Now, the Tecno Spark 9 series this year has three phones. We have the Tecno Spark 9, 9 Pro, and 9T. The Tecno Spark 9 Pro, this device here, goes for 20,899 Kenya shillings. The Tecno Spark 9T goes for 17,199 Kenya shillings. And the regular Tecno Spark 9 goes for 15,599 Kenya shillings. I have compiled an article about the Tecno Spark 9 series that includes all the specifications, comparison, and prices. So check that out in the video description below. So let's continue with the specifications. It has a Helio G85 processor, 32 megapixel front camera, 50 megapixel triple rear camera setup at the back. It has 4 GB RAM, 5000 mAh battery, a full HD plus screen which has a 1080 by 2408 resolution. And finally, this device runs on Android 12 operating system. What about the extended RAM settings? If we go into the special function in settings, we can see how much you can extend the RAM in the MemFusion settings. The MemFusion feature actually uses a part of the internal storage as RAM, and the maximum that you can set it to is up to 3 GB. So you can get up to 7 GB of RAM on the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. Let us now check all the sensors on the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. But first, what's the CPU specifications? So the Helio G85 processor is an octa-core 2 GHz MT6769VCZ processor, and it has a Mali G52 MC2 GPU. When it comes to the sensors, the Tecno Spark 9 Pro does not have a lot of sensors. We've already seen the fingerprint scanner that also doubles up as the power button. The accelerometer is available and working. The orientation and magnetic sensors are not available. The proximity, light, and rotation sensors are available and working. The gyroscope, gravity, temperature, pressure, humidity, and game rotation sensors are not available. And finally, the step detector and step counter sensors are available. And now let's take a look at the camera settings and features. First of all, the picture sizes. And these are the picture sizes available, but you can increase that when we set the 50 megapixel function to on. And now these are the picture sizes. When it comes to video recording, the Tecno Spark 9 Pro can record up to a maximum of 2K, which is 1440p. So this phone also has the video beauty mode and the bokeh effect enabled for video mode, whereby the maximum quality is set at 720p. When it comes to the front camera, let us first of all check if the flash is available. And yes, this phone has LED flash available. And you can set the intensity by scrolling our finger on the screen. That's very nice. It even has these white edges to increase the light output to your face while taking selfies. And these are the picture sizes from the front camera. Maximum is 8 megapixels. But we can set 32 megapixels to enable bigger photo sizes. Like that. When it comes to video recording, the front camera can also record up to a maximum of 2K, which is 1440p. And it also has the video beauty mode and bokeh mode effect enabled on the front camera too, whereby the maximum quality is also 720p. And these are all the features on the camera. So this phone does not have a macro or wide angle lens. So what do the other two lenses at the back of the phone actually do? The main lens is the single lens at the top, that's the 50 megapixel lens, followed by a 2 megapixel bokeh lens and an AI lens at the bottom of the pack. So that was the Tecno Spark 9 Pro, a very nice phone in my opinion. So the full HD screen and very big camera specifications make this a very, very nice everyday use phone, especially for social media and for taking selfies and videos as you go about your day. The big battery capacity will also make sure that you don't keep on charging your device during the day. So please tell me, what else would you like to know about the Tecno Spark 9 Pro? Post it in the comments below and I'll be sure to reply to your comments. Thank you for watching and goodbye.